afternoon and welcome to this Saturday from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. 3502 inbound from Newark. For the Frontier to get over here, just wanted to thank everyone. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Was absolutely blown away by the support on the Pan Am video that I posted. I love Pan Am. I love aviation history, and so I was on a Reddit thread a couple of weeks ago. We were talking about Pan Am, and so it kind of made me want to go out and see if I could find what was left. I've already been told a couple that I missed. One was a Boeing 377 that became one of the NASA Super Guppies, and the other was a Ford Trimotor. But just huge thank you to everyone for your support with that video. Frontier 1042 fighting the crosswinds. They are inbound from Fort Myers. Should be A320neo.
Oh yeah, he's crabbing too. A little bit. Oh yeah, he's crabbing.
So 3819 Cleveland approach, expect the ILS 1 at aggregate.
Jets have said it left.
Southwest 1793 inbound from Midway.
He's a crabber.
It's a connection 3792 inbound from Minneapolis, St. Paul. I slipped on some ice there. $23.36 inbound from Dallas Fort Worth.
Down to 3,000.
Happened to that sun we had earlier. It's getting cloudy again.
You see the field about 2 o'clock, 9 miles. United 723 Cleveland ground runway 6 right. Check to be at Kilo Lima, the company on Juliet gives radio. Kilo Lima, the 6 right. Yeah, 723 South Limit, Whiskey, correct? Yeah, just 316, frequency 124.5, advising notice.
$3701 inbound from Boston.
We will be ready.
6 right for the departures. It was hard to film from over here. I tried to jump in the back of my truck to get that United, and right about the point it rotated, a tree was on the way. You can't win them all. special livery inbound, brand new airplane, Frontier
Kind of
2422.
Kind of special.
It's Chopper the Great White Shark, the newest A321neo. We saw this one yesterday coming in on the other runway. Today we'll get it over here.
Kind of special.
It's the first one wearing the regular Frontier livery. Inbound from Fort Myers, Florida.
United 723, contact departure. Yes, 720.
5197 inbound from Washington Reagan International, DCA. 305, I believe, the flight number. The CRJ 200 inbound from Chicago.
Skywest something something.
Southwest 1793, contact departure. Flight 2422, taxi to the ramp via Lima.
330 inbound from Seattle.
They're doing this because of the additional flight this year, aren't they?
Probably.
What the hell? Did that fire reignite from earlier? Or is that a factory?
For today from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. It's getting dark. We got about 20 minutes or so before another flight comes in. My camera's starting to kind of mess up with the cold. The battery's turning on and off, and it's kind of spazzing out a little bit. So we're gonna get back in the warm, go get some food, and try to get some work done around the house. We'll be back up here again tomorrow to do some more plane spotting, and then probably Monday too. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I really appreciate you being here. If you haven't done so already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by my birthday. Probably not going to happen since it's about 3 weeks away, but trying to, just a personal goal of mine to see what we get. Really appreciate everyone's support. If you like that Pan Am video, let me know if you haven't watched it already. If you have any memories of Pan Am to share, or if you know of any other Pan Am airplanes that I'm not aware of. There was a 727 at Amarillo Airport that it's listed as preserved for a firefighter trainer, but I couldn't find any recent pictures of it. So if you know that's still there, let me know. And if you like that type of video, I can do some more. So I could do Eastern or TWA or some of the other defunct airlines that are out there. So let me know if you like that type of video, and we'll go from there. So I really appreciate everyone's support. Hope you all have a great weekend, and we'll catch you next time from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Have a good night, everybody.